Hey guys, Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at this WeatherTech hood protector for the Ford Ranger. So we're going to show you how to stick this thing on really quick, talk about some of the specs, and just give you a general overview, so let's jump right in. Now, as I mentioned briefly, this is a no-drill install, and it does simply stick on with some adhesive strips that you can see around the back edge. Now, the key thing to this is making sure that your truck's clean, because if there's any dirt or any wax along the hood here, that's going to keep this adhesive from really bonding the way you want it, and this thing will blow off eventually. So to prevent that, I've already cleaned ours a little bit, but we're going to take a microfiber towel and wipe it down. So we'll give it one more wipe down here just to make sure that it's all dust free. And then now we're going to just simply start by peeling the adhesive off the back. All right, with the adhesive exposed, to position it, I like to start at the center where there's these two corners on either side of the grill. And so if we position it from there, that's going to just center this whole thing up. So it may take a little fine tweaking just to adjust the corners and everything to get them to sit the way that you want on the vehicle. And then once we've got it in place, we'll go ahead and put pressure on now. So this seals all the way around. And you want to make sure it sits nice and flush over the top here where it kind of goes over these louvers in the hood. There we go. And just like that, it is installed. So these WeatherTech hood protectors are pretty handy if you're looking for a way to prevent some damage on the paint in the front of your hood here. As you can see, it's an aerospace acrylic that's nice and durable, and it's got this kind of dark shadow black color, which sort of just blends into any paint or any trim level that you may have on your vehicle. And this is just gonna basically prevent rock chips, dings, bugs, things like that you're gonna get from driving every day. But it's nice because it does sit flush to the vehicle, so you don't have an extra piece of plastic sticking out off the front or something that's going to require brackets and drilling. And then if you do need to take it off, it is adhesive, so there's no holes underneath. As always, guys, thank you for watching, and if you're interested in picking up one of these WeatherTech hood protectors for your Ranger, you can head down to the description below and click that link. It'll shoot you over to the website, and I will see you guys next time.